Hey everybody, it's Dr. Ketan L.Pakhale from Metabolic. With the whole world seemingly on lockdown, there's a lot of panic and misinformation that's going around the coronavirus. I can tell you that this COVID-19 pandemic is the most challenging one. Going through lot many studies worldwide, it's been very familiar with the type of people who are at the most risk from COVID-19. So they are usually older and are stricken with the accumulated damage of decades of metabolic dysfunction like type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart diseases are few to label. Over the few years, the patients who have lost weight dropped their medication primarily through diet, exercise, lifestyle coaching with lifestyle adjustments had improved their quality of life. I have come to believe that same exact adjustment may be the best way we have to prepare our bodies to fight off the coronavirus. The overlap between the poor metabolic health and vulnerability of COVID-19 has become impossible to ignore. So why this metabolic health is important here, which ultimately boosts your immunity, let me tell you that friends. The editors of Obesity Society speak out that the patients with obesity and COVID-19 has serious implications for our healthcare system. Persons with severe obesity who become ill and require intensive care have challenges in patient management. So many of the regular patients are dying here. Men mostly with obesity, diabetes, hypertension and kidney diseases. They said that the virus may wipe out many obese diabetics. The impact of COVID-19 will also be felt outside the intensive care unit, like they have psychological toll of this viral pandemic. Persons with obesity who are self-isolating and avoiding social contact are already stigmatized and already experiencing higher rates of depression. Social isolation is at the heart of obesity stigma. So after making you understand why these people are a regular person who can be at the risk, let me tell you how to optimize metabolic health to boost our immunity. So friends, there is no quick or a magic pill here, but a smart diet and a few lifestyle modification can improve your metabolic health to boost immunity in a short period of time. So what is immunity here? It is all about striking a balance between you and the environment. You need to build your defense mechanism with balancing your diet, exercise, hydration, sleep and stress management. Guys, fight the corona infection by striking a balance. The evidence is clear that a low carbohydrate diet can be an effective tool. The modern Western diet associated with metabolic disorders. So swiping this unhealthy food for healthy choices may be the best way to increase insulin sensitivity. Friends, opt for fruits like citric fruits which are rich in vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acid, food like flax seeds, walnuts which helps to build the body immunity. Nuts are also useful to get essential nutrients and helpful for your immunity. Going back to our basics and the Desi approach, I suggest you guys to consume turmeric milk to boost immunity as turmeric milk do have antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. Also your gut microbiome is another key to healthy immune system. So do have probiotics like buttermilk, curd which will likely benefit too. Exercise, even just a moderate amount of it can have extraordinary results. A sedentary lifestyle who has been long associated with metabolic harm and is well established that exercise boosts the immune system. Sleep is another one. It is likewise a very important precursor and a regulator for immunological process. And now let's play a game with an adaptation of teachy zone of an individual. Like, who do you want to be in during this COVID-19 pandemic? Where do you want to stand in this situation? So here there are three stages I want to say. There is a stage of fear and there is a stage of learning, and the third is the stage of growth. So the stage of fear is I am anxiety about things, I am worried, I am frustrated, and I'm hungry. I watch any news without filter and I share the same information immediately with everyone. I am impatient and I have a lot of complaints. The second stage is stage of learning, where we most of the people are now currently after the lockdown. I understand my feelings, emotions, and I'm able to cope up with them. I share the information with filter. I am reducing the exposure of news and the social media. I am aware of challenges with the changing situation, and I feel better now. And the last stage is the stage of growth, where most of the people, the paramedic, the nurses, the doctors are now. I try to live in the present moment. I don't have any choice, but I have to work now. I try to be more positive and maintain and have an optimistic outlook towards the things. I practice patience, creativity, and ready to face any challenges. I use my skill and help others. I think of others as they are giving their best, and now even I should give my best to help the others. So, friends, the choice is yours. You want to be in the stage of fear, the stage of learning, or at the stage of growth. Thank you so much.